Welcome to our journey through the world's most exhilarating water slide parks. Today we're diving into the heart-pounding slides, the relaxing lazy rivers, and everything in between that makes a water slide park a must-visit destination for fun lovers of all ages. Get ready for a splash of excitement as we explore the best water parks around the globe. Imagine yourself at the top of a towering slide, water rushing past your feet, heart racing with anticipation. We'll introduce you to the tallest, fastest, and most innovative water slides that promise an adrenaline rush like no other. From the gravity-defying loops of the Aqua Loop to the dark, mysterious tunnels of the Master Blaster, we're covering it all. Water slide parks aren't just for thrill seekers, they're a paradise for families too. Discover the colorful splash pads, wave pools, and gentle slides designed for the youngest visitors. We'll take you through the best parks that cater to families, offering a perfect blend of excitement and safety. After the heart-thumping excitement, it's time to float down the lazy river. Picture yourself on a tube, gently drifting along a winding river under the warm sun with lush landscapes passing by. We'll showcase the parks that offer these blissful escapes, perfect for those moments when you just want to relax and soak in the scenery. Planning is key to making the most of your water park adventure. We'll share insider tips on the best times to visit, how to find the best deals on tickets, and what to pack for your day of water-filled fun. Plus, we'll highlight the amenities and facilities that can make your visit comfortable and hassle-free. Water slide parks offer an unforgettable experience for thrill seekers, families, and anyone looking to make a splash. With our guide, you're now ready to dive into the adventure of a lifetime. So grab your swimsuit, don't forget the sunscreen, and let's make a splash at the water slide park. If you're excited about plunging into the world of water slides, hit the like button, share this video with fellow water fun enthusiasts, and subscribe for more adventures. Let us know in the comments which water slide park you're planning to visit next.